Hi, today I'm for the Xiaomi 13 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the wallpaper section. Then click to agree, and here you will see just the wallpaper application. Here we'll see the online wallpapers, but to see them you should be connected to the Wi-Fi or to mobile data. Just to use the default wallpapers on our device, switch wallpapers to profile and tap to wallpapers. Here we'll see all of our default wallpapers. We can also click to this plus icon to allow and select the photos from our device gallery, previously taken photos on our device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also we can use the Drive, Google Drive, the Google Photos and Files with the file manager. Just to set the wallpaper, we should select one from the wallpapers. We can see the preview, tap to apply and click set as lock screen. Lock screen wallpaper applied successfully. So as you can see, that's so simple. Also we get one more way how we can do that. Just first we should hold for a while empty space on the home screen, then on the left down corner we'll see wallpaper icon. But the same way, just I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi unfortunately, so you can use here one from this available online wallpapers or just to use the default wallpapers on your device. Just select one from these wallpapers, click apply, tap to set as lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.